Hello everyone, welcome to English Stories. Please subscribe our channel for more videos. Manifest your dreams. In a lively city neighborhood filled with delicious smells and busy people, there lived a young woman named Amy. Amy was different from others because she loved cooking more than anything else. She had a strong passion for making tasty food that made people smile. Ever since she was little, Amy dreamed of having her own restaurant. She imagined a cozy place where people could enjoy her delicious dishes and feel happy. But getting her own restaurant was not easy. Amy worked hard as a cook in a small diner, but she didn't earn much money. One day, while looking through an old bookstore, Amy found a book about something called manifestation. The book explained that if you believe strongly in your dreams and work hard for them, you can make them come true. Amy was curious and started practicing what the book said. Every day, Amy would think about her dream restaurant. She imagined how it would look, how the food would taste, and how happy people would be there. She also worked even harder to save money, taking extra shifts at the diner. At first, Amy wasn't sure if it would work. But she kept believing and visualizing her dream restaurant in her mind. She focused on the feeling of joy and accomplishment she would have when her dream comes true. Then, just when Amy was feeling discouraged about her dream, she encountered an unexpected opportunity. While attending a local food festival, she struck up a conversation with a stranger who turned out to be a successful restaurant owner. Impressed by Amy's passion and talent, the restaurant owner offered to mentor her and invest in her dream. Amy was overjoyed and grateful for this unexpected turn of events. With the guidance and support of her new mentor, she embarked on her journey to open her own restaurant, filled with renewed hope and determination. After searching for a while, Amy found a lovely spot in the city center. With the help of her friends and family, she turned it into a cozy restaurant. She decorated it with care and filled the menu with her favorite dishes. On the opening night of her restaurant, Amy felt nervous but excited. As people came in and tasted her food, she saw their happy faces. Amy knew that her dream had come true because she believed in it and worked hard for it. From that day on, Amy's restaurant became a popular spot in the neighborhood. People loved her food, and Amy felt proud of what she had achieved. She knew that if you believe in yourself and never give up, you can make anything happen. Moral of the story: when you believe in your dreams, work hard, and stay determined, they can manifest despite challenges. Unexpected opportunities may arise when passion meets perseverance. This story teaches us that unwavering belief in oneself can turn aspirations into reality. The end. Hope you liked the story. For more stories, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for listening. Have a good day.